Mistake number 2, doing it yourself. It's tempting to try to save money by using a do-it-yourself online will service or just writing something up yourself. But these often poorly drafted documents may only cost you and your heirs additional money in the end. It is impossible to know without a legal education and years of experience what the right legal solution is to any particular situation and what planning opportunities are available. If there is anything about a family situation that's not commonplace, using a DIY estate planning program means taking a large risk that can affect one's family for generations to come. An attorney can determine whether a particular situation qualifies as commonplace. The problems created by not getting competent legal advice probably won't be borne by the person creating the will, but they may well be shouldered by the person's children and grandchildren.